The StudSensor Pro55 stud finder from Zircon features 2 scan modes to quickly find the edges of wood and metal studs through interior sheetrock walls up to 1.5 inches deep. The tool also features wire warning detection, alerting you to the presence of live, unshielded AC electrical wiring while scanning. Use the StudSensor Pro55 to help you find studs for securely hanging cabinets, shelves, mirrors, and more. Before use, install a brand new 9-volt alkaline battery with an extended expiration date at least 3 years beyond the current date. Select Stud Scan mode to scan through walls with 1 layer of sheetrock. For thicker surfaces only, perform the Scan in Deep Scan mode. Place the tool on the surface to be scanned. Press and hold the power button and wait for the beep to confirm calibration. Slowly move the tool horizontally across the surface. As the tool approaches a stud edge, the arrow segments on the display screen will sequentially appear. When the full arrow displays, the spotlight pointer will appear on the scanned surface and a steady tone will emit. The StudSensor Pro55 has located the edge of the stud. Mark this edge. Without releasing the power button, continue scanning beyond the marked spot until some segments of the arrow turn off. Slide the tool in the reverse direction to locate the other stud edge. Mark this edge. The center of the stud, where you'll want to hang your object, is between the 2 marks. When live, unshielded AC electrical wiring is detected, the wire warning detection indicator will appear on the display. If scanning begins over a live AC wire, the wire warning detection indicator will flash continuously. If scanning begins directly over a stud, the tool will continuously beep and flash to indicate a calibration error. Simply move the tool a few inches to the left or right and begin your scan again. Buy your Zircon StudSensor Pro55 stud finder today.